Damn, I need to make groceries for a whole week. Wingman, could you suggest me some dietary patterns I should follow?
I'm sorry to hear that, Andre. Unfortunately, I cannot help you with that. I was designed solely to handle processes related to Leon's software.
Wingman, this is an Earl Grey tea. Which temperature should I use to brew it?
I'm afraid instructions for making tea are outside the scope of my functionality. However, I can optimize flight schedules and manage crew rosters.
Wingman, could you open the door for me?
I'm sorry, Andre. I'm afraid I can't do that.